Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So it's just another quick video while I'm working on this dangle charm that I'm making. And I'm just coming up with different ideas and things to attach to it. And I'm going to attach this little button. I'm going to make that into a, well, maybe like not a bead, but you know, just an element on the dangle. And I just don't know where like to put it. And I did put this string up here just so that it was easier to find the top, and I don't know, maybe I'm gonna put it up here. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, catching one of my loops, and then close up my loop-de-doop. Okay, and now we have a little button charm attached, just a different element in the charm. So guys, I think I'm just about done with this. This is going to go on a project that I am sending out. So I hope the recipient enjoys it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.